Sheriff's Office, and I'm the School Safety Director. Looking for new resources and ideas on how to build more robust communications during a critical incident.
Rick Francis, I'm with Seminole County at the Sheriff's Office, and I'm responsible for Seminole County Public Schools. Obviously, any type of workshop, because I've been to several school safety and security workshops, and the nice thing is that you want to take the collaboration, work with other people throughout either through fora, from people who are abroad, to bring back some ideas back to Seminole County.
I'm Sherry Holzman. I'm a private school head of school, DeLand Montessori School in DeLand, Florida. How I can hopefully bring a little bit more safety to our school.
My name is Jeff Solomon. I'm with DPREP Training and Consulting, and I'm the Director of the Schools Division.
We're in a classroom, lockdown, barricade, and prepare to fight back and respond is still best practices, right? A lot of the comments, we don't know where it's coming from. You know, we can't evacuate because the shooting's out in the hallway, or we're unclear of where the gunshot is coming from. So if you are in a classroom, best practice is still lockdown, barricade, and you're not getting that complete picture. And as you see with these kids, is that, it's not usually, they don't just snap. It's years and years and years of stuff that adds up to something bad.